Siyempre, every time, lagi ko sinasabi, pag mga corporate na event, talagang sobra ang kabako. Ang mga employees ay mga doktor, di ba? Mas original or mas nauna talagang batch sila Ate Be and Ate Jelay. Sila talaga yung mga nakakasama ko sa mga most of my concerts, no, especially abroad. Kasi nga si Ate Be at si Ate Jelay mga mommies na ngayon. Ayun, nanganak na si Ate Jelay and next naman si Ate Be. So, kahit sino naman members ng G-Force, alam mo na you're in good hands at talagang you can only expect the best from them kasi sila naman talaga yung, if not the best, diba, one of the best dance groups in the country.
Hello, hi. Afternoon.
Very genuine ang aura niya, ang positive aura niya, ang dating niya sa mga tao. Maski ako na nakaka-captivate din niya ako kapag kasama ko siya, pag nakakausap ko siya.
She's right here. Drixel! This is it! How gracious she is. She took off her rollers just to and kumakain pa siya.
She's such a sweet girl. And of course, she really has the talent.
Love you po. Ingat.
Si Pipo nakita niyo, si Beyonce.
Si Beyonce, hindi ko pa nakita na dyan siya. I'll say hello. Bye-bye. See you soon. Sige.
And tonight we will witness yet another world-class icon. Ladies and gentlemen, here with us tonight is one of the country's world-class musicians. Introducing a talented young lady. She worked very hard in honing her world-class talents. Put your hands together for Miss Sara Geronimo, together with G-Force.
Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend, I will love you so deeply. I'll be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you till the end of time. Thank you very much po for inviting me to be a part of this event. What an honor po performing for all of you. Maraming salamat po for this opportunity. Okay lang po ba kayo? Hindi mainit ako. Mainit talaga ang panahon ngayon.
It's great. I mean, we're here with my favorite people in the world, doctors, especially mga pedia pa yan. So, nakakatuwa naman.
Please give it up for Coach Dabu!
Okay.
Every chance na makasama si Coach Bamboo on stage is talagang a privilege. Talagang napakaswerte ko. Naku, noon napapanood ko lang siya sa TV, napapakinggan ko lang sa radyo, sa tape. We love you, Coach Bamboo.
they complement each other. Very powerful. They give each other leeway to sing their own performances. Magaling silang pareho, pero very exciting to hear them sing.
I just have fun. I guess it comes from the musicians themselves. Yung mga musikero na tumututog dyan, umiikot lang yan eh, di ba? So, anong energy bigay na dating sa akin yan, sa labas ko lang yan. So, you know, it goes full circle.
Keeping my fingers crossed, praying for my luck to turn. But I can't complain. I'm living it easy. This job's keeping me busy. I'm going crazy.
Unang napanood ko siya ng live sa ano yun eh, MTV Pilipinas. Kumanta siya ng Noypi ata yun. Tuwang-tuwa ako. At nasa likod pa ako noon eh. Ang layo-layo ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, ngayon, grabe. Magkakasama na kami lagi ni Coach Bamboo sa mga events, corporate shows, yun nga. And of course, The Voice of the Philippines.
And I give up forever to touch you. 'Cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I don't wanna go home right now.
Talagang grateful ako sa kung ano man yung trabahong meron ako. And of course, to Coach Bamboo, to Bamboo, kasi he allows me to work with him, diba? So thank you.
Each time we sing it, it's such a release. That's what I always say. The energy just pours out, and the crowd can feel that. So I enjoyed myself. It was fun. It was fun. As always, we always try to challenge ourselves and make it different. So once again, I enjoy myself. Yeah.
With Coach Bamboo by my side, talagang siguro nahawaan na lang ako minsan sa mga pagkakataon na may duet kami, ganyan.
A song has inspired and touched many people's lives. A song that will forever live in the heart of every Filipino dito man po sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Para po sa inyo.
Today we're really excited to hear her yung anak version. It's an old song, and having her perform it is very exciting. Kakaiba siya kasi.
Meron siyang magic, and she has that connection, especially with all of her fans. She knows how to connect with them parang it's easy to relate with her because she's really just this simple girl and she really truly is in real life.
Sa gabi ng iyong nanay, sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo, sa umaga ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Silang kasang mundo, tuwang ang ulan mo, ang kamay nila, kamilog ng ilaw. Ang nanay at ang tatay ko'y di wala magkagabi, kaya basta nagkabi ang mundo.
Wishing you more happiness and more success in your career. You are a total performer. I've seen you perform in film as an actress. I've seen you host. I've seen you sing. I've seen you dance. Kaya mo pa bang tumambling? Baka naman kaya mo rin. Ang dami mong kayang gawin. Believe ako sa'yo. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan and I wish you all the best. More than that, may God give you happiness because that's what you truly deserve.
Tonight we don't need it on the floor. Tonight we don't need it on the floor. Tonight we don't need it on the floor.
Nag-enjoy ako performing para sa audience ng kumpanyang yon. Naririnig ko naman yung appreciation naman ng mga tao at saka yung applause nila. So, yun.
Kakatapos ko lang po mag-perform. I performed 8 songs and 2 songs with Coach Bamboo. Yes, kasama ko po si Bamboo dito po sa isang corporate event dito sa World Trade Center. At we're very happy na naimbitahan po kami to perform para sa audience natin tonight. Ayun, kasama ko po ang aking glam team, si Miss Jella Laurel, hairstylist ko si Jeffrey Aramin, and my wardrobe ko, stylist ko si Bang Pineda. So, yun.